Finally, someone has created the Swiss Army of autoresponders. For far too long, marketers have been debating if email marketing works best or does text message marketing work best? Or is it FB Messenger marketing? Truth is, they all work, they're all extremely profitable. And the fact is, your target customers are using all three platforms. So why neglect one marketing channel over another? Why not instead use a platform that combines all three of these extremely profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard and blow the lid off of your profit? Well, the new autoresponder, Sendiio 2.0, does exactly that. What is it? How does it work? Let's find out in my Sendiio 2.0 review. What is Sendiio 2.0? We all know that email marketing is still one of the most profitable marketing channels. We also know that text messages get a 98% open rate within the first 2 minutes. And we also know that FB Messenger gets a 100% inbox rate and is the biggest messaging platform online, so why not combine all three of these wildly profitable marketing channels into one and generate sales on every platform that your target customers are on? Well, Sendiio 2.0 allows you to do just that. Yup, this Sendiio 2.0 review is going to come off extremely hypocritical of me. Why? Well, because I'm going to be recommending you pick up a powerful new autoresponder unlike any other I've seen before. It's the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, SMS text and FB Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that combines the power of email marketing, text message marketing and Facebook Messenger marketing all under one central dashboard, at a one-time price. You can now tap into the three most profitable marketing channels in one place. You no longer have to wonder if email is best, text is best or Facebook Messenger is best. The fact is, they all work and are all extremely profitable. And you can now tap into all of them and maximize your profits. Sendiio features: allows you to import unlimited lists, lets you create unlimited email marketing campaigns, lets you create unlimited text message marketing campaigns, lets you create unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns, let you create unlimited opt-in forms, lets you create unlimited follow-up sequences, lets you create unlimited one-off mailing campaigns, and much, much more. And today, Sendiio is back with their 2.0 grand opening. It's back with new features, optimized features, and completely revamped features. Over a dozen updates to be exact. I'm talking about new features unlike anything you've ever seen on any other R, which will dramatically skyrocket your bottom line. But the best part is that all these new updates have been based around what their users have wanted to make the platform better. Ultimately, they've collectively taken Sendiio to entirely new levels so that it can deliver you even more profit than any other autoresponder out there. Plus, you can access all of this for a one-time cost. And for a very limited time, they're including their agency license, which will allow you to offer email, text and FB Messenger services to your clients. You can easily charge a separate fee for each of these services or bundle them up for a hefty recurring profit. Plus, the agency license is just one of the crazy bonuses they're offering as well. I'm telling you, there's a reason why I'm willing to be a hypocrite today. This new autoresponder truly kicks butt. So don't hesitate to check out the next parts of this Sendiio 2.0 review, as I'll show you how powerful it is. Pros: create unlimited email marketing campaigns, create unlimited text message campaigns, create unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns, easily import unlimited emails and phone numbers, zero monthly fees during our charter members opening, limited time bonus, agency access included. Cons: too many upsells as always. Price increases instantly after the launch week. When you buy Sendiio review through my link, you will be getting 50+ super valuable bonuses. I have included video marketing and video apps, software and courses. I also included exclusive training and software with resale rights for a total of 50+ bonuses available here. Product purchase link is given in the description box.